What's up, everybody? I got a Dodge 360 long block here. You know, the heads are rebuilt, the whole rotating assembly is rebuilt. The heads are assembled with the valve train on the block. There's no timing chain cover or valve covers or oil pan, but this is a complete engine rebuilt about 8 years ago for a project my buddy Daryl was doing. And he ended up just buying another truck for some reason. This thing just never got used. It's never been unpacked. It's from Thunderbolt Manufacturing in Texas. Thunderbolt, I'll link the manufacturer's information in the description, and you can check out their facility there and their website. I'm gonna cut open. This has never been opened ever. You got the gasket kit sitting right here on top, complete gasket kit. I'm gonna cut open the side of this engine plastic covering and expose the casting numbers so you see what this block originally came out of. All right, see, it's not been opened at all. I'm gonna cut it open right here. I'm gonna cut it open right here so you can see the casting number. All right, here's the casting numbers right there on the block. I'm gonna go ahead and get let me see, I got a pretty good picture of that. 4006830, and it says 360 right there. So we'll run the casting numbers on this. We're gonna let this baby go half price. We want $1,200 for it. And if you're worried about an engine that's been on the shelf for 8 years, I wouldn't. I've done it before. I took a boat engine to a machinist one time, and I was gonna have him rebuild it, and he says, well, I've got a Chevy 350 marine engine sitting on the shelf right here. It's been here for like 8 years, at least 8 years. He goes, the guy who bought it, he came in, he brought me the engine, paid me up front to rebuild it, and I never seen him again. I called him, I tried to get a hold of him for years, and I never heard from him or any of his relatives or nothing. I don't know what happened to the guy. It's been over 8 years. So I can sell you this. I don't know what else to do with it. So I bought it, put it in my boat, and it ran great. So I would not be concerned at all. This thing's been stored inside, wrapped up. But of course, I mean, it's got some information here about the manufacturer's original warranty, but you know, of course, this is going to be as is. I'm sure this warranty's not honored anymore, and I'm not trying to warranty it either. So as is, but I think you'll be very happy for that price and what you're getting. $1,200. Let me know. Best way to get a hold of me: call me, text me. I don't check my emails that much, so if you want to email me, you might be waiting. And I know there's going to be them Craigslist scammers. Oh, I'll send you a check, or I'll send you one of them cash things from the bank. What do they call it? I don't know. You know what I mean? How they always hit you up. Oh, I'll send you a check and I'll send somebody to pick it up in 2 weeks. And then save your time, because I'm going to tell you to F off. Don't waste my damn time like that, okay? You interested? Hit me up. Good deal. I got the cherry picker here. We can help you load it up in your truck, or you can bring a couple of fat dudes. I got my belly in it. We'll go up in there and slap this in the back of your Geo Metro, whatever you got going on. We'll help you get it loaded up, all right? All right, thanks for watching. Hit me up if you're serious, and we'll help you get this thing. Stay burly.